In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Authenticator 2FA on LinkedIn. If you want to make your LinkedIn account more secure, turning on two-factor authentication is a great idea. This adds an extra layer of protection to your login, so even if someone gets your password, they still won't be able to access your account without the verification code from your Authenticator app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. Start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look to the top right corner and click on Me. This opens your account menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all of your account preferences, including login and security options. After that, go to the Sign In and Security section. This area contains the settings related to how you access your account and how LinkedIn helps keep it safe. Once you're there, find and select Two-Factor Authentication. Now click Set Up to begin the process. At this point, LinkedIn may ask you to verify your identity first. If a verification code is sent to your email, open your email inbox, find the message from LinkedIn and enter the code into the verification field on screen. This extra step helps confirm that it's really you making the change. Once that's done, choose Authenticator app as your two-factor authentication method. This tells LinkedIn that you want to use an app like Google Authenticator to generate your login codes. LinkedIn will then display a QR code on the screen. Open your Google Authenticator app on your phone and use it to scan the QR code. Be sure to keep the QR code visible while scanning and make sure you're using the correct account in your Authenticator app if you manage multiple logins there. After you scan the code, your Google Authenticator app will immediately generate a 6-digit code for LinkedIn. Return to LinkedIn and enter that 6-digit code to verify that the app was connected successfully. Since these codes refresh every few seconds, it's a good idea to enter it promptly. Finally, confirm the setup, and that's it. Two-factor authentication will now be enabled on your LinkedIn account using Google Authenticator. From now on, when you sign in, LinkedIn may ask for a code from your app in addition to your password. It only takes a few extra seconds and it gives your account much stronger protection.